Drive boy, dog boy, good on the angel boy. In the doorway, boy, she was a lipstick boy.